Class student, we will start explanation lesson 3. Yesterday I explained you clothes. I will turn the paper. Needs of cloth, types of cloth, seasonal clothes, summer, made of cotton, loose and thin, light colored, winter season, woolen clothes, woolen. Today we will start in this line. More air is trapped in the pores of woolen clothes. It prevents loss of heat from our body in order to keep it prevents loss of heat from our body in order to keep us warm. We should wear woolen clothes in layers. Okay class? More air is trapped. Trapped means underline the word trap. Trapped means to catch. In the pores, underline the word pore. Pore means hole. Okay class? Of woolen clothes. It prevents means underline the word prevents means to stop. Okay class, there are many small pores या holes in woolen clothes which are not seen by normal eyes. ओके क्लास, जो हमारे वुलन क्लोथ्स होते हैं, स्वेटर वगैरह हैं, उसमें ढेर सारे छोटे छोटे स्मॉल पोर्स होते हैं जिनको हम नॉर्मल आइज से नहीं देख सकते हैं. These holes are filled with air. और ये जो होल होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं, ये जो होल होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं, मोर एयर इज ट्रैप्ड. और उसमें किसको फिल्ड कर लेते हैं, एयर को फिल्ड कर लेते हैं. इट prevents loss of heat from our body. It stops loss of heat from our body. In order to keep us warm, we should wear woolen clothes in layer, and they help keep us warm. So we should wear woolen clothes in winter season. Dark colored clothes, observe, absorb. Underline the word absorb. Absorb means to take in and soak up. Heat and provide. Underline the word provide. To give or supply. Extra. Underline the word. Extra means more. Heat to our body. Dark colored clothes to take in heat and to give more heat to our body. The rains. In monsoon, we have to wear clothes of waterproof material like rubber. Underline the word waterproof. Means a garment that keep out water. In monsoon, monsoon means rainy. In the rainy season, we should wear clothes that do not make our body wet, such as waterproof material like rubber. क्लास, कैसे कपड़े वेयर करने हैं इन द रेनी सीजन? वाटरप्रूफ मटेरियल से जो रेडी होते हैं. ओके, इट कीप्स आवर regular clothes dry and free from moisture. Regular, underline the word regular. Regular means daily. Dry, underline the word, means not wet. Moisture, underline the word, very small drops of water either in the air or on a surface. We should also use umbrella and gumboots in the rains. When we wear raincoat and waterproof material, then our everyday, regular means everyday, clothes are wet and moisture free. जब कैसे कपड़े वेयर करते हैं? रेनकोट, वाटरप्रूफ मटेरियल क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं तो हम कैसे रहते हैं डेली? ड्राई मीन्स नॉट वेट, free from moisture. Okay, we should use umbrella and gumboot in the rainy season, in the rain and in the rainy season. I will turn the paper. Occasional clothes. Occasional means sometimes but not regularly clothes. Happy and sad occasion. Underline the word sad. Sad means bad or unhappy occasion. On happy occasion like marriages and birthday, we should wear elegance. Elegance means graceful and attractive in appearances. Clothes such as saris, achkan, churidar, suits, etc. जब हम मैरिजेस एंड बर्थडे पार्टी यहाँ पे जाते हैं तो हम कैसे ड्रेसेस वेयर करते हैं? ग्रेसफुल एंड अट्रैक्टिव क्लोथ्स. ओके क्लास, लाइक साड़ी, अचकन, चूड़ीदार पजामा, चूड़ीदार सूट. ऑन सैड ओकेजन लाइक डेथ पीपल wear white and simple clothes. और जब हम किसी की डेथ सेरेमनी में जाते हैं या कोई ऐसा सैड ओकेजन है वहाँ जाते हैं, पीपल वेयर सिंपल वाइट क्लोथ्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, यूनिफॉर्म. Uniforms, underline the word uniform. Uniform means having always the same forms. Some people wear special sets of clothes. These are their uniforms. A uniform is a special set of clothes which some people, for example, student, nurse, doctor, etc. You wear uniform to school. और स्टूडेंट, आप कब यूनिफॉर्म वेयर करते हैं? यस, जब आप कहाँ जाते हैं? स्कूल जाते हैं. वेरी गुड. मैनी अदर्स ऑल्सो वेयर यूनिफॉर्म. देयर आर मैनी प्लेसेस वेयर वी हैव टू वर्क इन अ यूनिफॉर्म like hospital, police station. Popular Indian clothes, underline the popular, underline the word popular. Popular means famous Indian clothes. Popular Indian clothes, men and women. Okay class. Indian women mostly wear saris, shalwar kurta, top, jeans and choli ghagra. There are some clothes that we can wear on festival and special occasion like sari, shalwar suit, top, jeans. Okay. Indian men usually wear t-shirt, jeans, कुर्ता पजामा, धोती कुर्ता और शर्ट ट्राउज़र. टी शर्ट, जीन्स, कुर्ता पजामा, धोती कुर्ता, शर्ट, ट्राउज़र्स, ये कुछ ऐसे ड्रेसेस हैं जो कि मेंस किसी भी ओकेजन में, फेस्टिवल में ईज़िली वेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके क्लास, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर. फर्स्ट राइट लेसन 3. Date, which day doing this work, class work, work, question number 3. Class, yesterday question number 1 and 2 complete na? Yes, very good. Question number 3. Question is why, first letter capital, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Question mark. Write down answer in new line. Answer 3. More air is trapped in the pores of woolen clothes. It prevent loss of heat from our body in order to keep us warm. Question number 4. What do first letter capital? What do you wear for school? Question mark. Answer 4. Answer 4. Uniform. Press your pencil, write neatly. Question number 5. Question number 5. Which types of clothes are worn in summer? Question mark. Answer 5. Answer is cotton, first letter capital. Clothes. It is completed. Question number 3, 4 and 5. Complete? Very good. Repeat again. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Answer: more air is trapped in the pores of woolen clothes. It prevents loss of heat from our body in order to keep us warm. Complete class? Okay. Question number 4. Question 4. What do you wear for school? Answer 4. Uniform. Uniform. Written. Question number 4. Good. Question number 5. Which types of cotton, which types of clothes are worn in summer? Answer 5. Cotton clothes. Okay. Repeat again question number 3, 4 and 5. What do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Answer. More air is trapped in the pores of woolen clothes. It prevents loss of heat from our body. In order to keep us warm. 27. Question number 4. What do you wear for school? Answer. Uniform. Question number 5. Which types of clothes are worn in summer? Answer. Cotton clothes. It is completed. Very good. Today's homework: write down these question answer, question number 3, 4, 5 in your notebook. After this work, go to the washroom and wash your hands with soap. Be ready for the next class.